This month on Talk of the Town,
we're sharing some of the best fall activity ideas.
And learning how to send messages using Touchtown.
Hello.
Hello, Alex. What's your favorite Touchtown product?
Community apps.
Oh, okay. Bye.
Bye. It's our favorite time of the year.
Fall! And we're here with some kooky, spooky, ooky
fall activity ideas.
We call this story The Tale of the DIY Dynamos.
Is that really the name you want to go with?
I like alliteration.
Start your fall the best way possible with a trip to your local farm for apple picking and pumpkins.
Not only can you make a great trip, bring those apples and pumpkins back to the community for even more activities.
You can host an event for residents to make their own cider.
Ooh.
Another great idea is to have residents create their own fall decor for their front doors or in their homes.
I have an idea. What about a costume contest?
That really suits you.
I know.
Click the link below to find out how you can implement all of these great ideas.
Plus, check out our new Learn with Touchtown Pinterest boards full of the best ideas for activities for senior living.
Hey Mark, what you doing?
Just waiting for the super amazing, magical, not at all copyrighted pumpkin, Alex. Duh.
Well, you don't have to wait. The super magical, never copyrighted, fabulous, perfect pumpkin can just send you a message when it gets here.
It can?
Yeah, with Touchtown it can. If you have last-minute messages you want to deliver to your community, Touchtown makes it easy for both you and your residents.
Have a last-minute announcement? Make it a priority message. It will be the only slide that shows for whatever time you schedule. You can also post a crawl message to digital signs and TV+.
Take it even further with community apps. Let residents know the doors have opened for an event and to come join in.
Get the step-by-step instructions for sharing messages in the link below.
I see you're back in your costume.
What costume?
Anyway, we've given you a lot of great ideas this month, and now we want to hear your great ideas.
Share with us how your community uses Touchtown and your best activity ideas, like what you're doing for Active Aging Week.
We want to feature you in our community spotlight. Plus, it's your chance to win a Talk of the Town mug.
Stay tuned next month for even more great ideas from
Talk of the
Town. How do women easily get in and out of dresses?
They have zippers.
Doesn't that make it even more complicated? I feel like if you introduced a zipper into this situation, I'd have a panic attack.